Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements. This is your love and money reading ngayong June. Okay, so yeah, let's see kung anong meron. Oo. Excuse me. So, Pisces. Again, don't forget, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, so yan sila. Protection from evil eye, meron tayong ring, necklace, bracelet, and yung ating 2-in-1 for love and money. So meron siyang citrine stone. So yung citrine po is talagang for money magnet. Okay? Yeah, money magnet ang ating citrine stone. So, 'di ba? Hindi lang love. Okay? Hindi lang kayo suswertihin sa love, kundi sa money rin, 'di ba? And syempre, yung ating granter, si granter necklace is ganyan. This is unisex. Okay, and this is made to order. And syempre, taga-grant siya. So, kailangan yung protektahan yung mga minamanifest ninyo sa pamagitan ng pagsusuot din ng evil eye protection. Okay? Kasi doon nasasabotahe yung ating mga minamanifest sa pamagitan ng mga pagbabato ng evil eye. Isa na yon, ha? So, yeah. And syempre, yung ating cord cut. So, pangtanggal, MALAS. Yes! Oo. So, napaka-effective nito. Super duper. So, again, kung meron pong tanong, message lang po. Okay? So, yeah. Pisces. So, money muna. Dun muna tayo sa pera. Kaperahan in general ng mga Pisces. So, sa trabaho, tingnan natin meron ba. Sa business mo, tingnan natin anong meron in general for you, Pisces, when it comes to your finance. Okay, Six of Cups in reversed. The Hierophant in reversed. Okay. May darating po na opportunity. This is big opportunity. Okay? Sobrang minsan lang mangyayari to sa iba sa inyo. Yun nga lang, meron kayong iiwan. Pero itong iiwan nyo na ito, isabihin natin hindi na rin naman maganda ang benefits na naibibigay sa inyo. Okay? We're talking about sa pamemera. Okay? Pwedeng kung kayo ay nangangamuhan, pwedeng aalisan nyo yun. Kung kayo ay nagbi-business, pwedeng papalitan nyo, babaguhin. Okay? This is for, sabihin nating, pangmatagalan na. Okay? May chance ng pag-elevate. If ever. Okay? Nagagawin nyo to. Some of you, sabihin nating may pagdadalawang isip. Kung igagrab ba or what. So, it's up to you. This is like taking risk pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? What else? May naninira sa'yo sa workplace. Or, yeah, in general. Seven of Swords. And yeah, Judgment. Itong mga to gustong makikita yung pagbagsak mo ha. Ito yung mga walang magawa sa buhay yeah. Pwede sa workplace, sa business mo, merong mga naninira. Bakit? Kasi nakikita nila na ikaw is napakalaking threat sa kanila. Some of you, hindi mo kailangang gumante. Okay? Ang magandang pagganti dito is pagfo-focus pa rin sa mga ginagawa mo financially. Kasi mas magiging okay. Andyan yung stability. Okay? So, it's like, kung anong ibibigay mo kung ano maging reaction mo dito, yun din yung babalik sa iyo eh. Tandaan nyo po yun. Okay? So, there. Merong ima-manage. Some of you, this is not for all, okay? Meron ako nakikita rito na parang cycle pagdating sa managing. I don't know kung ano to. Okay? Some of you, you're always trusting this person kung sino man to. Okay? Pero, darating at darating yung time na sabihin nating sisirain niya yung tiwala mo. Okay? Just be aware. Be aware. Some of you may nagtatanong, naririnig ko, pwede ko bang kunin yung kamag-anak ko para magtrabaho sa akin? No. Okay? No yung sagot. Pero syempre, we have free will. It's up to you. Okay? What else? Seven of Wands. So, meron kayong kailangan tanggihan or i-avoid. What's with this Seven of Wands? Page of Pentacles. A simple offer. Bakit? There's this simple offer na parang tatanggihan or pag-iisipan or kailangan pag-isipan muna. Some of you, meron kayong important message na hindi nyo pa nababasa. Okay? Or hindi na replyan. What's with this Page of Pentacles in reversed? Ten of Wands in reversed. Yeah, meron kayong i-reject. Or pwedeng meron ditong mari-reject. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. This is work-related. Okay? Pwedeng may mari-reject dito. I don't know kung ano to. Some of you, pwede kasing hindi ka susuportahan. Yeah, meron ditong hindi susuportahan. Anyway, yeah, I'm hearing power tripping. I'm sorry. So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Okay, let's see, Pisces. Who is this person? Anong meron sa kanya? Ay. Okay. Pisces. Who is this? Pisces. One more. Okay. Who is this? The Nine of Wands. Acting avoidant. Could be a fire sign. The Five of Pentacles. Some of you, this person is avoiding you. They're avoiding you. The Emperor in reverse. Some of them, andun yung word na tinatakasan ka. Meron ditong pagtalikod pagdating sa finance. Okay, I don't know if this is talking about responsibilities. Tinatalikuran niya yung mga responsibilidad. So, let's see anong meron. They're hiding from you. They are. Okay, the King of Cups in reversed. Why? The Ace of Wands. Ayaw na nila, or sabihin natin, wala ang interest itong taong to sa'yo. I don't know kung ano talaga yung connection na meron kayo. Okay, pero in general, this person, ayaw niya mag-invest. He's not, or she is not interested dito sa connection. They're walking away. They are walking away. Some of you have to heal from this. This is just a waste of time if ever you're still praying or still manifesting this connection. Wala tayong magagawa, ayaw niya. Okay? Specifically, sino ba tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? The devil. Sumo pa ba yan? The toxic. The selfish. Some of you, nilagay kayo sa third party. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Ito yung taong lagi na lang gumagawa ng sakit mo sa ulo. Ha? So, kailangan mo na lang iwasan din tong taong to. Kung tinatakbuhan ka, takbuhan mo na lang din. Iwasan mo na lang din. Hindi mo kailangang habulin to. Magagamit ka pa nito eh. If ever. Okay? Pwedeng sex lang. Pero walang commitments. No love. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Okay? So, if you're just waiting for a closure, then gawin mo lang closure to. Yeah, the Eight of Wands. Etong reading na to, gawin mo lang closure. Kung naghihintay ka ng closure message from them. Kasi may chance na hindi siya magpaparamdam or mag-reach out. Okay, so who else? Pisces, who else? Okay. Who is this person? The Page of Wands in reverse. Somebody who is flirt. Who is a flirt. Flirting, maybe, with you. Yeah, the Eight of Wands in reverse. Hindi to consistent. Pagdating sa mga action, sa mga salita, they're just playing. Okay? They're playing. Anong meron? Anong kailangan mo malaman sa taong to? Naghihintay ka na naghihintay sa kanya. Okay? You want attention from them. A message or a reply. Anong meron? Strength in reversed. You don't need to exert effort. Pagdating dito sa connection na to, hindi mo pwedeng pilitin kung anong meron, kung anong gusto. Yeah, the Hierophant. Some of you, pinipilit nyo yung commitments eh. Okay? Some of you. Hindi ko sinabing lahat. Okay, this person is a player. Or sabihin nating not serious. Yeah. Hindi mo kailangang ipilit yung gusto mong connection dito. Hindi kailangan or hindi pwede. Or hindi dapat. Temperance. You're waiting. The Star in reverse. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin. Oo. Ito kasi naririnig ko sa iba sa inyo. Ginagawa mo isang bagay para maging ganun rin yung reaction nila or sagot nila pagbalik sa'yo. Parang okay, kung gagawin ko to, siguro gagawin din nila sa akin. Something like that. Hindi ganun. Hindi ganun ang nakikita ko dito. Magkaiba kayo ng frequency. Ng energy, ng level. You have here Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, yeah, this could be any sign. They're just playing. Not serious. Yeah, again, the Page of Pentacles. So, magdadala lang to ng delay sa'yo, pendings. Okay, so, you don't need to invest. Okay, dito sa connection na to or sa kung anong meron. Hindi mo rin kailangan mag-expect ng mas malaki. Okay? Or, maghintay sa kanya. Some of them, they're younger. They're younger. They're too immature pa. Some of you want to settle down. They're not ready. Okay, so next. Who else for you, Pisces? Who else? One more. Okay. 7 of Pentacles and the 3 of Wands. You could be in a long distance relationship with this person. There's a lot of expectations, a lot of promises, okay, a lot of plans. Some of you, you're waiting na maikasal na lang kayo. You're too invested here. Pwedeng LDR. Okay? Malaking expectations mo dito sa taong to. Anong situation? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, the 10 of Pentacles. And the Sun in reversed. Some of them, they have money issues. Marami pa silang hindi nasasabi, I think, or hindi nagiging clear about commitment. Some of them, they're not ready. Masyado ka lang umaasa sa ngayon. Pinapaasa ka ba niya? Okay, the King of Cups is here. Meaning to say, yeah, you love this person, that's your energy. Pero kung siya yung titingnan natin, nandun yung love. Pero pagdating sa pagsasettle, they're not ready. Hindi pa ganun ka, sabihin nating kalinaw. Okay? Bakit? Tingnan natin. Ano itong Sun in reverse? Anong dahilan? Bakit hindi siya ready? The 2 of Pentacles. May mga inuuna. Meron pang mga kailangang i-prioridad kaysa doon. Some of them, pwedeng their own family, kapatid, priorities niya sa buhay niya, mga ganyang bagay. Sana walang third party involved. Okay? So, that is why. Nakita naman natin na nandun yung love niya for you. Okay? Outcome, let's see. Our advice for you, Pisces. The 8 of Cups. Oops. What's with that 8 of Cups? Okay, the Ace of Pentacles in reversed. So, sinasabi rito, maging open lang sa pag-unawa. Okay, yeah, the 7 of Swords is here. Maging open lang sa pag-unawa. Okay? So, the 8 of Cups, some of you sinasabihan dito na wag masyado ring maging emotional. Just be more practical. Oo, maging practical na lang muna sa ngayon. Hanggang sa dumating tong Ace of Pentacles na to. Okay? Some of them kasi hindi sila financially stable or hindi pa ready financially. May chance na ganun. So, siguro, unahin muna niya kung ano pa yung makakapag-provide, no? Kasi pwedeng iniisip ka rin naman ito eh. Hindi to para raratsyada na lang sa kung anong gusto mong mangyari, magpakasal kayo or what paano na lang after. Parang ganon. So, wag muna masyadong maging emotional or intindihin na lang din kung anong meron sa sitwasyon. Kung ready na, edi go. Parang ganyan. Pero yeah, nandyan yung yung sabihin nating thinking pagdating sa marriage, no? Some of you. Or long term. Proposal. Parang ganyan. Okay? So there, darating at darating din naman kayo dun. You're just, sabihin nating super duper waiting. Oo, no? So, yeah, to. Nakita ko to kanina, si 10 of Cups. So, that's, energy of contentment, happy with children, mga ganyan. Kung may chance na magkaroon kayo ng anak. Okay? Happy family. So, let's see. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries. Injustice. imbalance for some of you. Infidelity. Taurus, they need you. Gemini, detachment. So, disconnection. Parang may ganyan. Cancer, self-centered. Okay. Pero yeah, they like you. Leo, they have options. Virgo, they're still open. Still open. Libra, they're confused. Some of them, they're confused. Some of them, they're mirroring you. Scorpio, taking action. Some of them, they like you. Pero they don't know, like, hindi ka niya pwedeng i-prioritize eh. Parang ganyan eh. Sagittarius, ayaw nila ng totally magkaroon ng separation with you. Hanggat maaari, i-avoid nila yung separation, even though some of them, they have third-party connections. Capricorn, delays. Some of you, there's this issue about tawag dyan, messages, no? Aquarius, they're manifesting. Okay, somebody's manifesting. Pisces, focusing maybe on themselves, on their work. Some of them, nandoon yung confusion. It's like, okay, I'm interested sa'yo, pero kailangan kong guluhin yung sarili ko. Parang ganyan. Para hindi ako totally makafocus lang sa'yo. Parang ganon. Okay, some of them, nafo-fall in love na, no, pagdating sa'yo. Anyway, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.